So we're eating fermented stingray. I think this might be the most challenging thing I'm gonna eat this trip. Oh, whoa. Oh, Alex, that's...
This is the exact moment things start to go wrong. I came to Korea for barbecue. How'd I end up eating rotting fish?
You have to chew it slowly and you can feel the strong flavor.
Well, it all started in Seoul, where the menu is considerably less pungent.
I'm not normally squirmish, but this is doing it for me. Okay.
Food culture here is all about mixing the modern with the traditional. In Jeonju, or Hipjiro, we find a maze of back alleys hiding everything from kitschy grandma kitchens to urban breweries. On the coast, we eat super traditional saltwater tofu. In the city, we find a super stylized tiramisu cafe. This clash of culture doesn't just apply to food though. One day we're exploring Joseon dynasty palaces, walking through gates of eternal youth and sitting by lotus ponds. The next we're downing beers at a professional baseball game.
Go Lions!
One morning we're eating heartwarming, soul-filling chicken soup from this tiny 20-seat butcher shop kitchen. And in the afternoon, we're exploring avant-garde art. Forest bathing's also a thing here. So we do it barefoot, in the rain, in the middle of a pine forest. It's a healing practice. Makgeolli, or rice wine, is also meant to be healing. 10 mils a day keeps a doctor away, apparently.
Very good. Yeah.
So we learn how to make it. The key is to pour in your good energy. It's a slow, almost meditative process. South Korea is full of contrast, culture and characters. Glittering cityscapes and ancient forests. It's a place that invites you in, sits you down, and then challenges you to expand your horizons. So I guess maybe it's not that surprising that I've ended up here. Eating a slice of infamous Korean history.